Let me tell you something most guys will never figure out. The more you chase her attention, the faster you lose it. And I know that sounds backwards. I know it feels wrong. Because everything inside you is saying, just show up more, text more, be there more. But bro, that's exactly what's killing the attraction. Stick with me for the next few minutes, because what I'm about to break down, it rewired how I think about women, relationships, and my own self-worth, and it'll do the same for you. Here's the hard truth nobody's gonna tell you on a first date. She's not gonna miss you because you disappeared. She's gonna miss you because when you were there, you felt different. Most guys think presence builds attraction. They think the more available they are, the more she'll want them. But psychologically, that's dead wrong. When you're everywhere, you become background noise, and nobody misses background noise. What creates longing, what makes her actually think about you at 2 a.m., is emotional contrast. The feeling that something is different when you're not around. That's what we're breaking down today. Not tricks, not manipulation, not some pickup artist nonsense, real psychology, real shifts, real results. Let's get into it. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button right now. Every week I drop psychology-backed content that actually changes how you carry yourself. You don't want to miss what's coming. Now let's go. Think about your favorite song. Now imagine that song playing non-stop, every single second of every single day. You'd hate it within 48 hours, right? That's what emotional overexposure does to attraction. When you're constantly texting, constantly checking in, constantly there, she adapts to you. You become the baseline, and baseline doesn't create longing. Baseline creates familiarity. Familiarity feels safe, sure, but safe without movement? That's just flatline energy. Her feelings don't have anywhere to go. There's no gap, no space, no distance for emotion to travel across. See, missing someone isn't created by effort. It's created by emotional space. Healthy attraction has a rhythm: presence, then space, engagement, then pause. That rhythm builds anticipation. And anticipation? That's what turns a simple connection into something she can't shake. A guy who's grounded, who's got purpose, direction, a life bigger than the conversation, his attention feels intentional. When he shows up, it lands. When he doesn't, it doesn't feel like punishment. It feels natural. And that naturalness is everything. Because the moment she notices you're not constantly leaning toward her, her mind starts filling that space. She starts thinking about you. Not because you demanded it, but because your absence contrasted with your presence. And contrast creates emotional movement. This is the part that changes everything, bro. Listen closely. She's not missing your texts. She's not missing your voice notes. She's not even missing your face. She's missing how she felt when she was with you. If every interaction you had was predictable, emotionally flat, routine, there's nothing to long for. But when your presence was calm, grounded, selective, when you weren't flooding her with emotional output every 5 seconds, those interactions had clarity, they had space between them. And space? That's where memory lives. She remembers your vibe. She remembers how steady you felt. She compares it, unconsciously, to every other interaction that felt noisy and draining. You became the calm reference point. Most people out here are drowning in stimulation. Notifications, drama, emotional chaos, social media noise. What stands out isn't more stimulation. What stands out is emotional steadiness. When you become that, when your energy feels like a place of calm instead of constant intensity, she feels relief around you. And bro, people miss what gave them relief. They crave it. So when you're not there, the contrast hits, not dramatically, quietly. Something felt easier before. That quiet thought, that's where longing begins. If this is hitting different right now, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping new content every week that goes deep into this stuff: psychology, mindset, attraction. Join the crew. It's free, and you're gonna want to be here. Now back to it. Here's a concept most guys completely miss: the emotional echo. When an interaction ends before it becomes emotionally saturated, Her mind continues it on its own. She replays moments. She wonders what you're up to. She imagines the next conversation. That mental activity is the beginning of missing you. But when you overextend every conversation, when you text until there's literally nothing left to say, everything is resolved. Everything is finished. No open loop, no echo, nothing left to wonder about. A grounded man doesn't stretch conversations to avoid silence. He lets interactions breathe. He allows moments to end while the energy is still light, still good. And that slight incompleteness, it follows her into her day. Her brain fills the gap with memory, with imagination, with you. That's not manipulation. That's just emotional intelligence. Here's the paradox most men never figure out. The lighter your interactions feel, the heavier your absence becomes. When connection feels emotionally heavy, constant reassurance, serious talks, deep emotional processing all the time, it feels like work. Even if she cares about you, her nervous system starts associating you with effort. And the mind doesn't miss what drained it. It seeks rest from it. But when time with you feels easy, calm conversation, relaxed energy, no pressure to perform, her system associates you with relief. Relief is powerful, man. Because when that source of ease isn't constantly around, the difference becomes noticeable. Her day is loud, demanding, full of emotional noise. Your calm energy? It's noticeably gone, and that's when it starts. The quiet recognition that something feels different without him. That's missing, and you created it by being easy to be around, not by being hard to reach. This is the one that's going to hit hardest. So slow down and really let this land. If your goal is to make her miss you, your energy is still leaning toward an outcome. You're still emotionally focused on her response. Even if you go quiet, even if you pull back physically, internally, you're waiting, and she can feel that waiting. People sense when they're being emotionally managed, even from a distance. It feels like expectation, and expectation suffocates natural attraction. A stoic man does it differently. He doesn't pull back to get a reaction. He pulls back because he returns to himself. His life becomes the center again. His purpose, his growth, his movement forward. His emotional state stabilizes independently, not based on whether she texted back. And when she senses that, she relaxes. She no longer feels responsible for your mood. That emotional freedom? That's what lets her lean in naturally. Missing someone only happens when there's emotional openness, not emotional pressure. When you stop needing her to miss you, your presence becomes lighter. Your attention becomes a choice instead of a pursuit. That gives your interactions emotional weight again. She feels that you're good either way. And that steadiness? That's attractive as hell. Because strength without emotional demand creates curiosity. Curiosity leads to thought. Thought leads to missing. You didn't create longing through distance. You created it through self-possession. Before we hit the final section, look, if these videos are making you see yourself differently, drop a comment below. Tell me what hit hardest, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing, bro? Hit that button. This is the kind of content that actually builds you up. Let's keep going. Attraction dies when your whole world shrinks around one person. When she's the center of your emotional universe, your availability feels endless. Your energy feels directionless. Nothing about your presence feels naturally scarce. And scarcity isn't about playing hard to get. It's about being genuinely engaged in your own life. A grounded man is busy living, not waiting. His days have purpose. His attention has direction. So when he shows up, it's intentional. She feels like she's stepping into something, not filling a void. That perception changes everything. She starts feeling like time with you is part of something larger, not the only thing you have going on, and that raises your value instantly. People don't miss someone whose world is small and predictable. They miss someone whose presence felt connected to something meaningful. When your life feels big, your absence feels noticeable. Not because you disappeared, but because your energy had direction. Direction creates gravity. Gravity pulls. You didn't make her miss you by reducing communication. You made her miss you by living fully. Here's what it all comes down to. Most guys think making someone miss them is about distance, but distance alone creates nothing. What creates longing is emotional contrast, and contrast only exists when your presence actually carries weight. When you were constantly available, always leaning, always focused on maintaining connection, your presence became automatic, and automatic presence fades into the background. But when you return to your center, your purpose, your rhythm, your calm stability, your presence became distinct. Distinct presence leaves an imprint. Imprints stay in memory. Memory creates missing. You didn't make her miss you by pulling away dramatically. You made her miss you by removing emotional pressure, by allowing space, by becoming emotionally self-contained. A stoic man doesn't chase longing. He builds a life where his presence is intentional, his energy is calm, his emotional state is independent. When he engages, it feels real. When he's not there, the contrast is undeniable. She misses not the frequency of interaction. She misses the emotional tone you brought. She misses how she felt around you. Calm, understood, at ease. And when that's gone, her mind returns to it. Naturally. The goal was never to make her miss you. The goal was to become a man whose presence is worth missing. Because when you stop trying to create emotional reactions and start standing fully in yourself, attraction moves on its own. If this video opened your eyes, smash that like button. It helps more men find this content who need it. Subscribe if you're not already part of the crew. And drop in the comments. What part hit you the hardest? I read every single one. See you in the next one. Stay grounded.